Hi. So you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face, and you've got next to no money to spend? Well, this video is for you. I will show you exactly how to do it right now in 2025, step by step, using free tools and zero hype. Let me just put this out there. Faceless YouTube isn't about hiding, it's about leveraging your time and knowledge without having to become an influencer. Here's what you're going to need. You will want to pick a niche people care about. You need to have a content format you can repeat. Free or minimal money tools to put it all together. So now we are going to go through each step together. Picking your niche. Forget about trends. Pick something you know a little more than the average person about. Here are some examples. Budget travel tips for working class people. Side hustles for tradesmen. Digital tools for people over 40.
Niche down further. The more specific, the better.
Next, we are going to take a brief look at content format. Faceless YouTube means using B-roll, stock footage, or screen recordings with a voiceover. Here's how I'd build mine. 1 value video per week, 5 to 10 minutes long. 2 shorts that have been clipped from that main video. Structure. Start with a hook, then give value fast. Don't waffle. Next, we look at free tools setup. Okay, I have a little disclaimer here. Some of the tools start for free, but they are limited in their uses and will require a small monthly subscription for optimal use. Here's the tools I use daily and recommend. All free or with small paid options. First up is CapCut, brilliant for editing video. Dead simple, mobile friendly. You can use the free version, but I suggest the small monthly fee. It's worth every penny. OBS Studio for screen recording. If you want to go down that route, it's 100% free, but you have to decide if you want to show your face or not. Pexels or Pixabay for video clips. Again, 100% free. Canva for thumbnails, also used for some editing. You could get away with the free version, but there is a paid version if needed. Keywords everywhere. Browser plugin. A must-have for keyword research has a free version. But again, I suggest the paid version, which costs absolutely peanuts for a year. So there are no excuses to begin with, as they all have free versions, and then you can literally pay as you grow. Next up is the upload and grow plan. My suggestion is to keep it simple. The aim will be to make 1 long-form video a week and then add 2 short videos. You must post consistently for at least 3 months to begin with. Most people quit before they give the algorithm anything to work with. I can't stress this enough. Stick with it and stay in the game. If you want my exact list of tools, script templates, and video ideas, grab my free PDF down below. And if you're tired of guru talk and want the no fluff, working man's path to online income, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're just getting started. Come along for the ride and learn as you go.